Marion County Fair Car Show. I'm an impartial judge today, but I can be bought. Thank you all for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share it. Get the video out there for everybody to see. Sure appreciate all that stuff. It's all free. It doesn't cost you a thing, and I don't get your information, and I won't bother you. Well, I guess we'll get started. Check out this 72 GMC. I have not seen this before. Not sure where he's from. It's nicer than mine. Mine's a little more rusty. This one looks pretty solid. Nice truck. And we got, I don't know what year this one is, square body, short bed. It's a desirable truck. I'm going to get this thing and put a paint job on it. Or leave it in primer. Now, I don't know a whole lot about this car, but it sat out by some storage sheds outside of town for decades. And this guy just got it running in the last couple weeks. I think it's a 41 Zephyr, Lincoln Zephyr. It's a pretty cool car. Yep, 41. But he's just getting going on it. I saw it sitting on the trailer. I thought maybe he'd sold it, but he didn't. He took it home and got it running. He's gonna fix it up. Here's this nice little yellow Chevelle 396 big block.
You're back, huh?
Yeah, I'm back filming.
Hey, would you?
We'll just move on down the line here and get everybody in we can. Now we've seen this one a lot too.
Halfway down the stretch, it was getting really hot. We're leaving anyway.
Joe's got his Corvette out. All right, I think I took a bunch of pictures there. I don't recall seeing this truck before, but this guy has several. He's got some nice vehicles, and he's got this rat rod, which is pretty cool. Mr. Hughes is here. Oh, really? That where that came from?
Yeah,
Hey, pup.
the guy that owned it
Hey, pup.
originally lived about 2.5 miles from where I grew up. So it's been in ownership of Milford people so long.
That white Corvette has a pretty built motor in it. It is not stock. He does have the original motor. It's only got like 70,000 miles. Hey.
How are you today?
All right. How are you doing? I've seen this caddy. It's in really good shape. Got the 8-track player. This next car I don't believe I have seen. Maybe I have. I don't remember. It's a 66 Mercury. Park Lane. That's a nice car. I'll rival that caddy sitting next to it. No problem. This truck here is a local mechanic. That's him right there. I see him cruising past my house all the time. '80s Mustang, a little souped up. Nope, 91. 91. Box body. Gene brought his gremlin out, or his daughter's gremlin. It's not actually his, it's his daughter's. 55 must not be running again. Or he's just afraid to bring it out. One or the other.
Oh yeah, yeah.
John?
I think there's a 5% chance now, so you better look out.
You're fine. Don't worry about it. This is a pretty nice 60. Ooh, it's in great shape. Love that trim.
Convertible.
Oh yeah?
Twin antennas. Bumblebees here. It's not a real transformer. An old Plymouth here. Overall, it's in pretty good shape. Got a flathead 6 in it. Dual carbs. That's pretty cool. 68 Mustang convertible. Dodge Dart. Some meats on it. Assuming that's stubbed over here.
Get it. When I made the bearing deal, that aluminum. But it does sit. I need to build. So how long has it been sitting in that garage? Oh, I got it. My uncle finished it up.
Brought their Honda up. There's a Charger here. 400. Try not to get everybody in the photo.
Oh, they can move too.
That's all right. Cool trophy there. Top 10. Seen this one around at a few shows. Seen her win some awards with it. She's done a lot of nice modifications. Seen this one here too a few times. Z28, you know I like these things. I love me Camaros. Got the T-tops. Interior looks pretty nice. Looks like it's in good shape in here. Dash isn't all cracked. It's a pretty nice car. Nice, nice, nice. There's a couple more that have come in, and I'll go back and get them. Pretty nice El Camino here. Buckets, the console, floor shift, all decked out. Hey, look, it's the S10 at Knoxville, Marion County Fair Car Show. Seen this one a few times, and it's a beautiful truck. I don't know how you can find a fault in this thing. Got a nice Mach 1 here. I like the color, it's a little different. $51. Guys are a little close together. But we'll get her anyway. Seen this one before. This is a Lloyd Becker car. The Dead Hooker.
The front was both sides, but I can't
And John was not a fighter. He never was a fighter. He might have been in a He was decided to do it.
John's got the 34 out. This thing's pretty flawless. Man, they couldn't ask for better weather. Got a nice breeze blowing. I don't think that's probably messing with the audio. Got a nice little show here. Pretty sure we've seen this one before too, but it's worth getting twice. Got a 409. Here's this 70 Nova that's all original. The guy that owns it now bought it from the original owner. There's all this stuff he's got collected for it. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Good.
Couldn't ask for a better night, huh?
I know it.
Not too bad.
That breeze is just perfect.
Yeah.
I'll have a fun editing time. I just realized that I've been recording for the last almost hour while I was talking to everybody. I'm gonna get and finish up this video, and then I gotta go boat. I really talk too much.
He tried to get in and he took care of it.
You have to go like.
I never had a problem after, not on one. Let's go check.
I have to shoot 2 more here, and I think that'll be it. Then I gotta go fill out my ballot. This thing's pretty nice. Seen it around some. Like the critters on it, of course. And there's Mr. Weldon's little MG kit car. He sure likes driving this thing around. It's got a Plymouth too. All right, well, I think that's going to do it here at the fair. Got a Impala sitting over there. It's supposed to be moved and never got moved. Well, that's all right. It's part of the show now. Yeah, if you could like, subscribe, comment, share, all those things, helps me out. Like I said at the beginning, that's about it. We'll see you hopefully Saturday. Rain is forecast, but I'm going anyway. See you then. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bonus footage. Somebody just rolled in this interesting, I guess it's Lincoln. I don't know what all those parts are off of. Oh, hadn't quite got this side done, but he's got that one in there. All right, that's it now. Thanks.